The Resident Doctors Association, or RDA of AIIMS, New Delhi, is raising an alarm over the safety of healthcare workers across the nation. This comes in the wake of the gruesome murder and rape of a young trainee doctor in Kolkata, a crime that has sent shockwaves throughout India. The doctors at AIIMS have now appealed directly to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, urging him to implement a central law that would ensure the safety and security of the healthcare workers. The alleged rape and murder of a postgraduate trainee doctor at the state-run RG Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata has sparked a widespread outrage. The AIIMS RDA also drew the Prime Minister's attention to the subsequent vandalism at the hospital and the worrying rise in the violence against doctors, healthcare workers, and medical institutions across the country. The letter addressed to the Prime Minister calls for immediate action, with doctors stating that the existing laws are inadequate in ensuring the safety of healthcare workers. They argue that the central law would serve as a deterrent to those who might threaten or harm the medical professionals. The AIIMS doctors has also urged urgent measures to bring back law and order at the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital and to ensure swift justice for the victim. The resident doctors of AIIMS have been on indefinite strike, suspending all non-essential services to protest the RG Kar incident since August 12th. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has initiated an investigation of its own into the alleged rape and murder of the female trainee doctor in Kolkata. While protests demanding justice continued across the country, the top court will hear the case on Tuesday, August 20th. As the country grapples with this horrific crime, the question remains, will the government take swift actions to protect healthcare workers? Or will this be another tragic case lost in the headlines?